Hello, good day. Welcome to day 2 of 7 days bootcamp by ABCM Academy. ABCM 7 days free bootcamp. This is day 2. As if you are joining us for the first time, my name is Akim Adediran. I'm the CEO of ABCM Business Technology with 10 other subsidiaries. Before I move on, I will say thank you to my co-hosts and the organizers of this 7 days bootcamp. Then starting from ABC Academy DG1, DG2, Ms. Moinat Rahim and Ms. Mary, Mrs. Mary Odela Adepoju. Then down to the manager of ABCM Business Technology Limited, Mr. Mutiu Idris, is part of the organizer. Mr. Kenny, our able content development manager, Mr. Kenny Adeyemi. Mr. Larry Sunday, I say thank you to you too. Mr. Hafiz Adediran and Ms. Semiyat Olabuke. All these people make this bootcamp a success. We still have some other people in the team that I was unable to mention. Please bear with me. I can only mention those that I can remember their name. Now, let's go straight to today's business. Today, we are going to talk on the top 10 high income freelancing skills and AI tools to master each skills. We're going to talk on each skills and we're going to talk on the particular AI tools you will use as your secret weapon. I don't know how it's going to be. I'm going to dominate today's event too. I think as time goes on, maybe by tomorrow or next tomorrow, we'll be inviting some other speakers to talk more about. But mind you, all of them are here with me. Mr. Kehinde Adeyemi is here with me, and he's our content development manager. And when we are talking about graphics, I call him Olowodan. Sorry to use that language. Now, let's get started to top 10 high income skills and AI tools you can use as a secret weapon to master each skills. Yesterday, we are not here yesterday. Go and watch our day 1 where we talk more on freelancing. And let me tell you, if you are not yet join our LI team, join our LI team now for you to see much other benefit and have access to one-on-one consultation with many experts apart from only me you're seeing here now. Now, let's move immediately. I told you myself, I'm a freelancer, web developer, business technologist, digital entrepreneur. Then I'm a founder of ABCM Business Technology and over 10 other subsidiaries. Then I'm top seller in Fiverr since 2014. You can search my profile. Akim Secret is my profile there. So you can search and know much about me. That's my contact if you want to contact me. Now, AI tools, the freelancer game changer. Let me tell you this, when we've been working a lot, I know I started 2014, officially 2014, when I registered on Fiverr. But during this time, it's hard for us to do so many work. During this 2014, 2015, 2016, 2020, it's hard to be sincere with you. Along the way, AI coming. Even AI coming in of AI doesn't really matter most until the invention of ChatGPT and some other AI, content AI tools. It's a really game changer. And these AI tools help freelancers to work faster, smarter, and earn more. You scale up the income of freelancer because instead of, let me assume you design a graphics now, instead of you using CorelDRAW, Photoshop to design the graphics one by one, you can use AI tools to generate millions of graphics within seconds, thousands of graphics in seconds. It's a game changer, really game changer. Just generate thousands of graphics, send it to your clients, and tell them to pick one from it with AI tools. But when you are using CorelDRAW, Photoshop, I know some of you that you know how to use all these tools. You bear witness with me that they are time consuming, energy demanding, and very, very boring experience. The experience is so boring to the extent that sometimes when I'm using CorelDRAW, I say, I pray we have more better tools to use than this. But thank God, the invention of AI tools make it easier and stand out and make most freelancers succeeded in today's digital world. AI tools is one of the greatest secret weapon of freelancer in this era we are now. So let's explore the first keys. The first keys I'm going to talk on is content writing and copywriting. Content writing and copywriting. We're talking about content writing and copywriting. Content writing and copywriting simply means when you are creating an engaging article, blog, ads, and website content that inform, persuade, or that is sellable. When you go to marketplace like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, I show you in the day one of this boot camp yesterday. You can reward each if you don't. You are here for the first time, go and reward the day one and see what I mean. Go to this marketplace, just start for content writing. You will see thousands of gigs on Fiverr and thousands of proposals on Upwork, freelancer.com, and some other freelance website. What these people come in is that they want someone that will create engaging content or engaging article for them, or content, or blog content. Even they might hire you to be posting a blog for them, maybe blog on any topics, just hire you and you started posting it. Take your time, 20 minutes per day, less than an hour per day, you write a blog, you proofread it, then you post it in their platform for them. Even it can be a social media content, social media post. Then copywriting, sales copy. To sell, email copy. All these content writing and copywriting is one of the first major freelancing skill that even I expect every freelancer to know content writing and copywriting. No matter you are programming and tech, no matter you are a video editor, you are virtual assistant, think of any area. I recommend this as number one skills that every freelancer must possess. Because to be sincere with you, when you are writing a proposal to your clients, you will need to know how to write a very converting content. It can be a proposal, any content. And this is great news. Let me give you a shocking news. There are AI tools that you can use to write this content. Many of you have known this AI tool, but for a refresher, you can still see how I'm going to talk or master these AI tools. Then what are the AI tools that you can use to write content and copy? Number one is ChatGPT, Jasper, even DeepSeek. I forgot to mention DeepSeek. You can use DeepSeek. Yes, DeepSeek. You use DeepSeek to generate content the same way you use ChatGPT and Jasper. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to use some of these tools to write content for clients or for yourself. Then apart from that, you can use Copy AI. This Copy AI is very, very effective to write a promotional copy, or we call it art copy, or email campaign, or content website. When you use Copy AI tools or write Sonic, that's another AI tool that you can search for all these AI tools, go to their website link, and you sign up for free. Most of them are free. You can have free, use free version, master it until you see you need the requirements. There is a requirement for you to subscribe for the paid version. Then apart from that, we have Grammarly and ProWriting Aid. You use these ones when you write, you use ChatGPT or Jasper or DeepSeek to write a compelling content. You can use all these ones to Grammarly or ProWriting Aid for grammar, readable, and you style correction, you proofread and correct style, correct tone. For me, even I don't need all this. All what I use is prompt my ChatGPT, write so content, and make sure your grammar is well spelled, and make sure any AI tools detector will not be able to detect it. And you give me a compelling content. Then Sofa SEO. This is one of the copywriting tools. Or phrase for SEO, I want to optimize your writing. For search engine optimization, to optimize your writing in using this SEO to Sofa SEO or phrase SEO tools. ChatGPT, Copy AI, Write Sonic, Grammarly or Write 8, or Sofa SEO. You want to learn more about this? Let me just quickly show you how you're going to use any of these tools to write a compelling content. So let me share my browser screen now. Okay, let's go. Now this ChatGPT, you go to chatgpt.com, www.chatgpt.com, or Copy AI, search Copy AI, or DeepSeek.com. Any of the AI tools, can you see this is my ChatGPT live here now? What you want to write content on? Let me assume someone tell you they want to hold a 7 days bootcamp on how to make money online. Or let me think of another content. Just think of, can someone give me a content suggestion there? Please give me a content suggestion there so that we can use your okay. Write 3,000 words article on the benefit of AI to mankind. Okay, let me use that. Write 3,000 words article on benefits of AI to mankind. This is just a straightforward article. Maybe you want to publish this article on a blog. Someone give you to write a blog post or a research paper on this. It's just an article. Then you click on OK. After you log into your www.chatgpt.com, you can use free version. You don't need to register. You don't need to use paid version. Then you type your prompt. We call this prompts. The instruction you give to an AI is called prompts. Then you click on enter or OK. Boom. The AI tool started doing the drama. Can you see benefit of artificial intelligence to mankind? Introduction. Artificial intelligence. Can you see AI? Can you see how it's writing it? Right? Can you see? Draw the copy. Can you see benefit of AI to mankind? 3,000 words article. Can you see? It's generating AI in agriculture, AI in business driving, innovative, AI in education, learning and academic support, AI in healthcare. This now can simply give you this to write. Think of any they give you to write. Or maybe you want to write a website content for a company. So you can easily, maybe they said they need a website content for their website. Now, if they prompt any of the AI tools, even if you can't use ChatGPT, you can use the same thing I ask ChatGPT now. I can ask DeepSeek AI tool. DeepSeek AI tool has more token than ChatGPT. I mean, the free DeepSeek AI. Can you see this DeepSeek? Then I tell him the same thing. Write 3,000 words on benefit of that, and I click on OK. DeepSeek started working. The AI do the rest. It's not only blog content, any kind of content you want to write. You want to write complete book. You can use this because content writing are done beyond writing only this article. Someone might give you a job. People might give you a job that I want you to write a book for me. Yes, I want you to write a book for me on how the uses of AI in education, or book on anything topic. Write a book for me on communicable disease. I want to write a book. You speak to your AI the same way you speak with. No, I want to write an ebook. I want to write a book on communicable diseases. Can you help? You prompt your AI. Maybe someone gave you a client gave you to write a book, ebook or PowerPoint presentation on communicable disease. Can you see? Okay, sorry. Sorry. I was talking on this. I was talking on these AI tools that we're using to write a book on communicable disease. So, book on communicable disease. Now tell me what is my target audience? What's the goal of the book? How deep do you want the content to go? Do you already have title? Or can you say? It's asking me all these questions. Don't answer all these questions, then you start work. From the content and the title to the table of content. Then he started picking the table of content by one and telling him to write the compelling content. And if you are telling your target audience, what I'm trying to say is that all these content writing AI tools, you can use it to do any kind of research, write any kind of content for clients. Just ask them what they want the content, or you copy, write an email copy, and decide to write an email copy, write an email copy to our company, to my website user. Tell them we go on a temporary upgrade for 2 hours (8 a.m.) 2 hours 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on next Saturday. Can you see? Then you click enter. This is copywriting. Can you see? Schedule maintenance, temporary website upgrade this Saturday. Can you see? We are reaching out to let you know that our website will undergo a schedule upgrade this Saturday from 8 a.m. to during the 2 hours window. The website is temporarily unavailable and will temporarily improving experience. Can you see? Thank you. Then you put your website there and you put your company information. Copywriting. Or it might be an ad copy, advertisement copy, it might be a marketing, email marketing copy, different writing. So that's how to use these AI tools. I've already said it and I will keep on saying it. Make sure if you want to know much about this, the use of this, join our Elite Club. Then we see people that will hold you by hand. Join ABCM Academy Elite team. See people that will hold you by hand to teach you more and all this for even almost for free. And what are other benefits you are going to get by being an Elite member? Number one benefit you're going to get by being an Elite member is a discount in all courses. We have ready-made courses on all these that I'm telling you, already made courses there on ABC Academy. So the courses are already there on ABC Academy, ready-made courses. So all what you have to do is to just buy that courses. But before you buy the courses, join Elite team so that you can get discount on all courses. Or we even have free courses. We have free training, weekly training, monthly training, different bootcamp for free to only Elite member. Then Then you can become an instructor for people. You have something to teach to this LI team is best for you. Then number 3, you have access to over 30 million downloadable digital resources, ebooks, software, mobile apps, PC apps, prompts, articles, videos, audios, graphics tools, icons, over 30 million downloadable resources. We have it at an airline when you become an airline member. Then apart from that, you can earn commission or referring. You have exclusive access to Learn and Earn Forum, weekly bootcamp worth million views. You'll be having access not only this kind of bootcamp, access to other weekly bootcamp for free that people, one of the airline member will know a particular things. Instead of them posting it, that they just call all the airline to a bootcamp and we hold a bootcamp and you learn this. Then you have VIP access to all masterclass, private community networking, early access to all course of this, certification of recognition. You get as an airline member, you get a certificate and badge for airline, priority support, then special instructor promotion. Now, to become an airline member, all what you have to do is to go to www.abcacademy.com/airline team. Then you can join Learn and Earn Forum by going to www.abcacademy.com/airline team WhatsApp. I think you get it. So with this airline, by becoming the airline, you will see another, you have access to another free or cheap training on all using all these AI tools. I'm just, my own work here is just to give you information on what to do. And let me tell you, to be sincere with you, content writing and copywriting is one of the greatest way you can make money as a freelancer. And I still have 9 I'm going to discuss here today. So stay tuned from here to the end. If content writing is not right for you, or copywriting is not right for you, then graphic design will be right for you. So what is graphic design? Graphic design and branding is a situation whereby you design a virtual logo, flyers, and brand material to create a strong and consistent identity. When you create a logo, flyer, brand material, a different branding, to create a strong identity or to inform or to pass information, you call it a graphic design and branding. You know, I think yesterday, day 1 of this bootcamp, I was able to show you how much money you can make as a freelancer offering graphic design services. And the income ceiling is high. And let me tell you another good news again. I'll be saying good news when I want to talk on the AI. There are so many AI tools you can use to execute this service. Number 1 AI tools you can use for graphic and branding is Canva AI or Adobe Firefly AI. These are AI powered design templates. They have thousands of templates you can pick and you correct it with AI prompts, brand kit, and creative assistance. Apart from this, in my office these days now, I noticed something in my office these days now, that many of the staffs, they don't use Canva. They use Leonardo AI, this Leonardo AI. And I tried this Leonardo AI. To be sincere with you, this Leonardo AI is one of the powerful AI tools in this time we have. I don't know, there are more and more powerful AI tools for graphics design, but this Leonardo AI is one of the ones I recommend. I will show you how much image I've generated with Leonardo. And the beauty part of this Leonardo is that you have points to use free version. And one thing I love Leonardo is that they will not customize their image, not that they add watermark or anything from there. Isn't that amazing? I will show you how to use Leonardo. But apart from that, we have local benchmark for generating logos and brand identity. We have designer.ai or Kit2. This Kit2 or designer.ai is for complete brand kit for social media visualization. When you want to work on social media images, social media visualization, this design AI and Kit2, they are perfect. And we have remove.bg AI. Remove.bg just introduce an AI where you can remove background perfectly and more effectively than normal background remover. So before we move on, let me show you how to use Leonardo. And I'm not going to show you how to use Leonardo AI. I'm going to show you how to combine content writing AI, which is ChatGPT AI, with Leonardo AI. Let me tell you what I mean. Let's go here to content writing AI, which is ChatGPT. Then let me open a new tab. Okay, I want to create a look image for this 7 days boot camp. Exactly, 7 days boot camp. I will now tell him to give me prompt. Give me prompts to use in Leonardo AI to create an image for my 7 days free money making strategy boot camp. The image should be well designed with bright colors, including green. I just tell my ChatGPT this. So I told him to give me prompts to use in Leonardo AI, that I want to use one AI tool to generate image. But I know this AI tool will request for prompts for me. So ChatGPT, give me a prompt to use in Leonardo AI. That's how powerful the content AI is. You can tell him to give you a prompt to use in other AI. That's why I love this. If you're getting me, press yes on the chat. Can you press yes on the chat or on the comment section? Press yes if you're getting me. Let me see. Yes. Okay. Yes. 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 If this is helpful, if this thing I'm showing you is helpful, let me press enter here. If this thing I'm showing you is helpful, press 1. Press 1 if it's helpful. Press 1 on the comment section. Press 1. Can you 1? Yes, I think some people are following this bootcamp. Wow. I'm going to give some people gift today. Another gift worth $2,000 today. So make sure you are here to the end. So this is prompt. Can you see a virtual prompt for use now that is generated for me? A virtual and professional promotional banner for 7 days money making strategy bootcamp designed with bright color including green, yellow, white. The design should feature bold font. Can you see? Free access. Now I will copy these prompts, then go to my Leonardo AI, leonardoai.com. Where is my browser? Okay, this is another browser. Yes, Leonardo AI, leonardo.ai. Then I click on get started. Then it's loading. It's trying to get started. Now it told me to sign in. If you don't have an account, you just sign up. You can sign in or sign up using Gmail. If you don't have an account, the same way you do with ChatGPT, or even if you want to use free version of ChatGPT, you don't need to sign up. But I advise you to sign up so that you can keep record of images, can keep a record of content you've generated, so that you can keep enough record of content you've generated. Now, my Leonardo, I've clicked on sign up with my Gmail and it's signing up. So one beauty thing about combining 2 or 3 AI to achieve your purpose, even if you are using other AI image generating tools, you can that request prompts. Prompt is an instruction given to an AI. Prompt is an instruction given to AI. That's why these days now, one of the skills that you make more money now is not only cybersecurity anymore now. If you want to make more money, not only become a cybersecurity expert, but by becoming a prompt engineer, can become a prompt engineer to make more money. So I'm trying to sign in with my email. Let me sign in with my email. Let me sign in with my email. Even I've done so many designs for using free, but Leonardo AI has a credit, so they will just give you that credit for use. So you have a daily credit that you can use in Leonardo AI. So this is Leonardo AI interface. Then you click on image creation to create an image. One thing I love Leonardo AI is that they are not only creating images. When you create these images and use your account like this, you can save it there for later use. So when you need it, you can come back and use the images. Not that you create an image, then it has gone like that. No, you can use it. The same thing with ChatGPT or other AI. To make sure you have an account in ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Now, another thing in Leonardo I love in Leonardo is that you can talk about your image size. If it is this size you need, I love using 16:9. This is more size. 1:1, that is square. This one is square. 16:9. I have 2:3. That means rectangular form. Then I love using this if I'm creating image or using square image. Then come here to the area where you can put prompts. Here, this is where you put your prompts. It says type a prompt. Then go to ChatGPT to copy your prompts. Remember, we write some prompt in ChatGPT. Copy the prompt in ChatGPT, then come here to Leonardo AI prompt area. Then you paste your prompt here. After pasting your prompt here, you click on generate. After clicking on generate, it will use 24 points to generate. Then watch the magic that we result. Can you see it's now generating your image based on the size you choose now. If you want to see more other images I've generated using Leonardo AI, I've done thousands of images. Can you see thousands of images using eye-catching images? Let's go back to my previous current project. It's doing it, it's working, Leonardo is working, it's magic. Leonardo is working, it's magic. Can you see? The magic is done now. See this image that is generated. Let me tell you, if you want to use CorelDRAW, in second, you want to use CorelDRAW to generate image. Can you generate this as fast as this? 4 different images faster than the light. So it's telling me to go for free plan because I've used it. So no, I will continue using free plan. It's not compulsory for you to use paid plan. You can continue using free plan of Leonardo AI. You can continue using free plan of Leonardo AI. Can you see? Let me show you what we just generated now. Can you see? Wow. 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 All these beautiful images. You see? Between 7 days. You can immediately you generate it, you can just click on download. This is the download button to download the image. That image will be downloaded in your PC. Let me download this too. I downloaded this too. Let me download this too. I downloaded this too. So I've downloaded the 3. Let me go and open it and I will share the image. You see how perfect Leonardo image is. Can you see? Now let me share. Sorry, I forgot I'm sharing the wrong screen. Let me share the image that Leonardo generated just now. In seconds, Leonardo was able to generate this image for me. Free money making strategy, bootcamp. No, maybe if this is not correct, you can use another one that is correct, or you can tell him to correct it for you. So let me point another image that is just generated now from the one I downloaded. You can generate as much as 4 images at a time. As much as 4 images at a time. So let me share this. Let me show you the second one. Let me show you the second one. Here, I have as much as 4 different images generated by Leonardo AI. Can you see? This is Leonardo AI for you. You generate this image within seconds. If you need to perfect it in some area, you can be perfect it to some area. But for me, the 7 days free money making strategy that there might be, can you see this one is, there is grammatic error here now, so you can regenerate another one. I'm telling you, this AI is so perfect when it comes to image generation. I think you are with me 100%. Now, I told you already that if you're using any of these AI tools, you need to master them one by one. I use Leonardo AI. You can try Canva, you can try Looker. If you are working on something related to social media, you can try Design AI or Kito. And try all this. Then, if you want to learn 101 on all these skills, you want to learn more, you can see many courses on ABC Academy. Or I will tell Mr. Adeyemi Kehinde, which is our graphic expert, this is his contact, WhatsApp contact. You can contact him on WhatsApp only. Please contact him so that I can share you video, compressed video on how to use any of these AI tools. Can share you for free, but there is limit to free. Or if you have any graphic design work that you want to do, contact this man. I'm telling you, it's 100%. Just use the WhatsApp number to contact him. You will perfect any graphic. He's not only working, he's the CEO, not only content manager in ABCM Business Technology, he's the CEO of Cake Graphics. So a big brand company on his own. So even the company, his team, they are perfect to give you any kind of images. Or meet him directly by joining the Elite team. You can join the Elite team and have this. Some people are asking me on the chat that how much does it take to join an Elite team? Join an Elite team for now is $2. $2 monthly, which is 3,000 naira in my local currency here. Monthly to be an Elite, and use this link www.abcacademy.com/elite to join. So join Elite. Now the next keys we're going to talk on is web development. Under this web development keys, we're going to talk on web development and design. This is my area, my professional area. That's why I'm not going to rush with this key. So meet me tomorrow on WordPress website. I'm going to show you full comprehensive on how to install WordPress, how to install AI tools to use to design a WordPress website from beginning to the end, full time tomorrow, the same time. Or watch, if you miss tomorrow, you can watch day 3 of this bootcamp. Day 3 of this bootcamp show you how to develop a professional website. But let me tell you, as a freelancer, even you need your website either to show your portfolio, or you want to take it as a service. Like me now, I'm a professional web developer. I develop a website for different clients. I've developed thousands of websites for different clients. You can learn the skills and use AI tools to develop your website. So tomorrow, meet me on full course. Only tomorrow is going to be dedicated to only website development. Website development for tomorrow. Then building and designing functioning user-friendly website that look great and work smoothly. It's called web development and design. And what are the AI tools you can use? Number one AI tools you can use is ZipWP or Doric. You can even use Framer AI to design a website. ZipWP is what I use different perfectly these days now because it works with WordPress, and I'm a professional WordPress website developer, both front end and back end. Forget about it. I'm going to kill it. So that's why I recommend this ZWP. You integrate it with WordPress and you have a perfect web. We have Wix ADI or Bookmark, either assistant website design. You have Wizard or and Realm. All this one we use for UI UX design. You can use it for UI UX that you want to use user experience, user interface, user experience of your website, and merge it. Then we have ChatGPT and DeepSeek for HTML, even for content, for website content. And I use it to do coding. I use ChatGPT and DeepSeek that I just mentioned. I use to do coding. I use to do debugging, fixing bugs on different codes. Then, apart from this, I told you if you want to learn more on it, one-on-one, I'm going to own different one-on-one training as an Elite team member on how you're going to do it. So join Elite team with this link, using this link to join WhatsApp for free. Then you can be an Elite member for just $2, 3,000 naira. This price will soon increase. This is not a fixed price. Even by the time you're watching this video, because this is live video event, by the time you're watching the video recording, the price might have been adjusted. But currently now, price is $2 monthly for an airline, and you have access to over 30 million resources. You have one-on-one training, percentage discount on premium courses, even some free premium courses, and one-on-one asset, networking with experts. Those that want to make that money, that 6-figure, that 8-figure that you want to make, there are some experts that have made those money already. You can watch the one of my episode and I show you brief. You know, with my level, I can't be showing everything. I just show you brief on what I've made as a freelancer from yesterday bootcamp. But experts that make even more than those people that make more than me as a freelancer, you meet them as an airline. They are part of the airline. That's why you need to join an airline. Then digital marketing and SEO is another skills I want you to go further on. We're going to record on how to use the AI tool that we use for digital marketing, like SmallDrop AI. Or you watch so many online video on this. I'm not going to waste time on this. So we're not going to take much of our time today for today's session. Then apart from that, you can use Okoya, you can use Pedias AI to generate marketing content for your social media. Copy AI or Jasper, I told you that you can use them for writing a copy or marketing email and add AI for generating. Now, apart from that, video editing is another number 5. So this is where I'm stopping. Although I will tell you the remaining 5, which I showed you yesterday already, but this is where I'm stopping today. We're not going to make it extremely long because we want to have time to face question and answer. So question and answer session, although question and answer session might not be available on the recording of this, but we take question and answer session because yesterday we were able to take question and answer. So we'll take question and answer after today. And you can still ask your question on the chat session. Ask question on the chat. You can post your question there on the chat session. Question and answer is not going to be part of the recording. I told you, you're going to have access to this recording live on our Facebook, ABC Academy, facebook.com/ABC Academy 1, or youtube.com/ABC Academy 1. You're going to have a recording, and we are live here, there too now. You're going to have a recording there too. Then AI tools you use for video. You can use Pictory. I use InVideo AI mostly, but you can use Lumen. Return text to video. Just type an article there, tell it to generate any kind of video you want to generate. Then apart from that, use Runway ML, use Testia. This is one of the first and most effective, or iGen, one of the AI avatar video creation. Then Animaker or Beyond for 3D animation or explainer video. When you want to do explainer video, you know what I mean by explainer video? When maybe you want to do course, or you want to do course explainer, you want to just explain something like whiteboard courses explanation, or you can use Animaker or Beyond. Finally, these are other freelancing skills that you can go into. Virtual assistant. This virtual assistant, I'm telling you, is wide skill. I told you, even I personally am a web developer and I'm still a virtual Yes, I'm a web developer and I'm a virtual assistant specialist. I'm a virtual assistant specialist. I specialize. There are sometimes that I register complaint for people. Yes, it's some of the freelancers are where you can register complaint for people in your country. Any country you find yourself, you can get out to register complaint for foreigner and bring them, do business strategy for them, or payment integration. I offer payment integration to as a virtual assistant. Then software and app development is number 7 skills you can venture into as a freelancer. Number 8 skill is voiceover and podcast. As the number 9 is social media management, translation and transcription, which is number 10. And all these are the AI tools you use for it. You join the Elite team. Join Elite team if you want to. Yes, courses on this, comprehensive courses on this at cheap price, or join the Elite team and have access to even almost free courses. Then day 2 step action step to take now for day 2 now. This is day 2. Let me show you action step to take before we go to question and answer session. You can ask questions based on day 1 you here in this day 2, and you're going to be answer. Even not only me, we have a lot of experts here that will answer your questions. I'm just here as a presenter. We have experts here that know more than me on any of these. So we're going to go to question and answer session. So this will be extremely short today, so as also entertain so many questions and share you more experience. Then what these are the steps you will take for this day 2. Day 2, join Learn and Earn WhatsApp group. Join Learn and Earn WhatsApp group. Elite team WhatsApp. So you join, register as a user as an affiliate. I'm going to show you how to register as an affiliate on Elite team WhatsApp group tonight. I'm going to show you tonight. I'm going to show you how to do that tonight. So make sure you join the Elite WhatsApp group. We can continue our conversation from there. We can continue our training from Elite WhatsApp group. Then you subscribe as an, this one is optional. You can subscribe as an Elite member so that you can have access to more benefits. These are the benefits you have access to as an Elite member. And Elite membership is just 3,000 Naira or $2. Then we meet you tomorrow, day 3, on website, WordPress and AI website design, how you build a website like a pro. I'm going to show you how to use AI to design a website. Even WordPress website design from scratch. Let's assume you don't have any experience on how to develop a website. Tomorrow, the full hour tomorrow, we're going to show you that. Now, let now entertain your question. I'll put up for those of you that you don't have any question. I see you tomorrow on day 3 on this bootcamp. For those of you that have questions, drop your question and I will start answering it. Then those of you that you are going, goodbye, and we'll meet you tomorrow, day 3. So you can still ask more questions on the comment section on all our social media, and we'll answer you. Or you contact me directly. You can decide to contact me directly through my WhatsApp contact +2348132879349, so as for me to give you a full access to any of these my courses. I have recorded courses in different AI tools. So, or you can go to YouTube yourself and you type the AI tools, then you see the course on it. This is my contact, and let's move to question. Thank you, and do the question session now. Bye bye for those of you that you are leaving. I don't have more time that are leaving. You can send your question through our social media and